Dr. Joshi, how do we prepare this medication of Simorabha? How are you supposed to take when you're talking about you need to take this twice a day, you need to steam this? So, how do we do this? How does one do this?
Yes, this entire sheet contains the information about it. This contains all the information how to prepare, how to use everything. This is the outcome of 30 years research.
Wonderful.
A single page, beyond that, nothing.
Yes.
And then, what we request the people is take any stainless steel burtan,
Okay.
vessel, and then in that one, depending on the body weight, we decide the quantity of water and then the quantity of the powder.
Okay.
Now we'll restrict ourselves to a 60 kg body weight person because many people are coming
Okay.
under that range.
Yes.
10 kg this side or 10 kg that side, it is 100.
Certainly.
For 10 kg body weight patients, 250 ml of water. This is half a liter.
Okay.
And then 250 is half of it.
Okay.
This is almost this much.
Okay.
Take this one and then keep it for heating in a stainless steel vessel. Once it starts boiling, take the powder. 2 teaspoonful of powder.
Yes.
Each teaspoon is about 5 ml. And such sort of measures are already available. And if you feel that you can't get such sort of measures with the marking, don't worry. God will give alternative also. Coca-Cola bottles they are all available everywhere.
Yes.
Any number you want you can have. This Dakkan, this cap, it is 5 ml.
Okay.
Level flat. 5 ml plus 5 ml means 2 Dakkan flat.
Yes.
You put into that one. Boil for 1 minute only after that because you are putting in the boiling water.
Yes, yes.
Then cover it and then leave it overnight because you are preparing it at night.
Yes.
Next morning, after brushing the teeth, empty stomach, filter it. 50 ml of it slightly warm, gargle. Entire rinsing of the entire mouth has to be done. Minimum 1 minute. You can keep as long as possible if the time is available for you. Then you drink it. The remaining 200 ml of water.
Continue.
The remaining 200 ml of water, you heat it to boil. Take that entire vessel and then keep in front of you. Cover yourself with a cloth. Deep steam breathing as you do in case of pranayam. Slowly you release it. We just tell 90 times, but some people can't do it for 90 times. But let them make a beginning and gradually it will increase to 90 times. And then after that, you will be drinking that decoction, warm decoction. Then you may say, oh, that 90 times, what is going to happen? Why you are so much particular about that? Nasal passage, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, both the lungs, liver, pancreas, gallbladder, spleen, brain, all this get activated because direct impact is there on the lungs and then also brain.
Wow.
All our lung cancer patients and then brain cancer patients are happy because there is direct impact and then the rate of recovery is fast.
Quick. As
Very
I recovered
fast.
in 3 months.
Yes. And afterwards you will be drinking that. Morning you have already filtered that. And that residual powder which is left there, छानने के बाद जो बचता है ना,
Yes, yes. The decoction.
and, yes, and then that powder you put back to the same vessel where you had prepared the decoction. Again put 250 ml of water. No fresh powder is added.
No fresh powder.
Boil for 1 minute in the morning. In the evening, 1 hour or half an hour before dinner, in the same way you repeat it. 50 ml gargle drink. Remaining 200 ml steam breathing and drinking hot, and that remaining powder, whatever little that is left behind, don't waste it. If you can drink along with the decoction, well and good. Otherwise, take it out, mix with any eatables, sambar, sabji, or anything, and then consume it. Don't waste it.
Still
The people were telling, you are very conjuice. Certainly, I am a conjuice. I tell you, if 10 ml of powder is there, there is 10,000 rupees worth medicine in it. And then, when you are consuming all that, some residue is left there.
Yes.
And that residue is still having thousands of rupees worth medicine in
Wow.
it. God has given to it. And Mother Simorabha has given to you with all her blessings. Why do you waste? Consume it. It has got wonderful results. In some cases, for some reason or the other, patients could not consume it. For example, very young children, they could not consume it. And then there are some patients who can't do anything. They could not. But the others who are there in the family, they have consumed it and they have got their problems also solved.
Wow.
I told you, it is antiviral, antibacterial, antiprotozoal, antifungal, and then anti-helminthic. All those are solved and they are all happy. Then, in some cases, this is given along with other allopathic medicines. With allopathic medicines, in most of the cases, body heat goes up.
Yes,
To
yes,
cool
yes.
the body system, we tell the people to prepare vetiver decoction. You cut vetiver.
I will get
Even
it. I will get
otherwise-
it. I will get it. You continue, I'll get the thing.
And one more thing I just want to add.
Continue.
Ah.
Okay.
Those, even with the allopathy medicines, the body temperature may rise. Even as such, the human body temperature, it will be varying always like that. So, to cool the body system, you have to use the vetiver grass.
So how do you use the vetiver grass? While I get the vetiver grass, we'll show it later. Can you just explain that?
It's very, very simple. Again, we will request you to keep about 200 ml water for heating. Once it starts boiling,
Give the
entire
whole
thing, entire thing.
give the whole. They cannot understand.
Because,
Like this. They
Ah. These are all vetiver roots. They call it also lavenge. And you can feel the perfume of this.
Yeah.
And then
In Mangaloreans, they use it.
and then
During the
for your
summer
kind information, vetiver oil extract 1 kg costs 36,000 rupees.
1 kg, 36,000 rupees. And why does India doesn't have this? And what are the benefit of this oil and how do you do this?
Very, very simple.
Yes.
The entire body system becomes air conditioned to the normal this one.
Wow.
Whatever the side effects of other treatments are there, when the body heat goes up, you take it, body system gets cooled.
Wow.
And that cooling is necessary in so many cases. And we have got so many cancer patients for whom the mouth ulcers will appear after the treatment.
Yes.
And then it will be very difficult for them to consume anything.
Yes.
Within 3 or 4 days, it makes all those ulcers disappear.
Wow.
And then they consume everything in the normal way.
Wow. So
This
Keep
is
it in the mouth
this
for
is
some time.
a
and
beneficial adjunct to our Simruba medicine now.
wow. This is such a powerful medication.
Yes.
Even this is the plantation of Simoribar.
No, it is vetiver.
Vetiver.
Lavenge, it is a different plant.
Different and you've done a research on this as
No,
well.
No, not done the
But
research.
you know that it is a
You
cooling
know,
effect.
we know its value and then we have
Common thing.
incorporated in this
Wonderful.
Everyone
Wonderful.
knows.
cancer research program.
Wonderful. So with this will go along well because it gives you a cooling effect.
Yes.
Cooling effect.
And
It is
chemotherapy
very,
gives lot of
very,
effect.
very
Yeah.
important for all cancer
Yes,
patients.
even I have it this. Yes.
And that is how you do it.
Yes.
And afterwards, to everyone who do not have cancer, but the cancer history is there in the family, for them, everyone can have this in the same way as I told you for 30 days continuously
Okay.
and repeat it once in 6 months.
Okay.
For example, entire January
Yes.
and again entire July. That
Yes.
means after 5 months you will be doing it.
Wow.
If it is done like that, it gives resistance
Huh.
to all viral, bacterial, protozoal, fungal and worm diseases. And then your immunity level is so high that it is lifetime insurance against any type of cancer.
Wow. Wow. How amazing is this?
You do it.
Yes, yes, yes.
Then, for everyone in the family, for the improvement of oral health and then dental health, after dinner, each one of you please keep about 25 ml of this warm decoction in your mouth. Go on gargling. Minimum 30 minutes. You can keep for longer time also. and drink before you go to the bed. Or you may say, how much time have to be wasted? You are not wasting, Baba, even 1 minute. After dinner, so many work will be there. You keep in your mouth, go on gargling and then attending to those works. You are not wasting anything.
True.
And then you will be drinking and what benefits you are going to get? First thing, if your teeth are shaking, within 4 days they become strong.
Yes.
Mouth giving out bad smell, within 4 days you start feeling the improvement.
Yes.
Toothache and gum pain, any time of the day,
Yes.
keep this decoction for about 30 minutes, gargle and drink. You will see how the pain is getting
Yes.
reduced.
Yes.
Repeat it 3 times or 4 times in the day. By the end of the day, no pain at all.
Yes.
Your teeth will have longer life.
Yes.
Then, teeth have become black because of teeth decay. Every day 30 minutes, gargle and drink. In a span of about 6 months' time, that blackness disappears, original color comes back.
And I've also seen the people who have taken radiation and chemotherapy, the teeth have turned black, and within
All that
6
is
months
going to
it
come
has
out.
gone. I have seen the live example people where the patients have tried this medication, they have had this medicine, and in span of 6 months the blackness is completely gone and they've regained that white, natural white color of your teeth. That is amazing.
Then
this is not less than a miracle.
The ulcers in your mouth, whether they are of short duration or long duration, that is acute and chronic, they call it.
Yes.
All of them will disappear. Chronic, that is for a long time, if they are there, that will turn into cancer later. And if the people are going to use it, that whatever the changes that are perceptible in the mouth, similar changes will be taking place in all the other parts of the body when you consume it. That means it is preventing cancer in the mouth. That means it prevents cancer elsewhere also.
Wow. What a
And then
logic.
the most important benefit that you are going to get in your family, after dinner, everyone will be having this one in your mouth. And then gargling and drinking before going to bed, before going to sleep. There will be no quarrels in your house because you will not be talking to each other at all.
Okay, this is so smart.
Yes.
Yes. And you will have a night sound sleep.
Nice sleep,
Yes.
peaceful sleep.
I love your humor, doctor. And anything else you want to say?
I want to tell.
Yes, please.
That's how the Simaruba is preventive, palliative, and curative. So Mother Simaruba does all the 3 things, whichever is necessary for the human being.
So I would also want to understand what kind of prevention measures can you recommend?
I told you, you start taking it.
Take Simaruba, drink it.
Anyone can drink it.
So is this helpful for people with thyroid condition, lung infection?
Certainly.
It is?
Lung infection, it is cured because you are doing that steam breathing.
Yes.
And then we are having COPD,
Okay.
that is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease.
Yes.
That is also getting cured.
Span of 6 months.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, I would also want to understand people, those are, of a thyroid patient. So I have a lot of people who are coming and asking me about your medication when they reach out to me, how they want to reach out to you. The first thing they ask me is, do we need to have thyroid medication first or shall we start with this medication?
We give preference to the others first. Let them have thyroid medicine first.
Okay.
Afterwards, let them use ours. We never say that ours is something superior. Ultimately, this has to enter into the body.
Okay.
For thyroid people, what we generally tell, whether it is hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, or cancer in the thyroid, we just tell them, don't immediately come to the conclusion of getting surgically removed.
Yes.
Let us try this one. If it is not going to be, let us afterwards we will decide. Let us try this one. Oh, this much I can
There's
say,
no harm.
it will not increase
At
at least.
least.
It will not increase the problem. So let us try this one.
Wonderful.
So often, our hyperthyroid people, because of that thyroid problem, their weight has increased. In 1 year's time, they have lost nearly 5 to 6 kgs, and they come here and tell, I have lost 6 kgs, I am doing better now.
So it
And
is also a weight management program I can
No,
follow.
we don't.
we don't stress on that because all these obese
There
people
are-
will come here and then there will be no medicine left for our cancer
Cancer.
patients. Our target is cancer.
Cancer, okay.
And they are just
very-
like orphans.
And the very last question I would want to understand, people with those sensitive stomach, they say अगर हम लेंगे तो हमारे कोई digest होगा कि नहीं होगा.
Yes.
So any digestion issues you have this?
I tell you,
Yes.
from mouth up to the last part of the digestive tract,
Yes.
anything, whatever that is there, it will be taken care of by Simaruma.
Okay.
If they are very delicate, gradually they will become strong. If wall thickness is more, that will get reduced. Anything concerned to you, acidity, gastricity, that will be solid.
All right. Amazing.
One thing I want
Yes,
to add
yes.
here, for those sensitive stomach and sensitive people, we always suggest they have to start with a lower dosage.
Okay.
Suppose we have told 10 ml powder.
Yes.
Let them start with the 5 ml powder
Okay.
and water remains the same
Okay.
to 50 ml. So it will be in dilute condition.
Okay.
Whenever it is in dilute condition, it is absorbed by the body very easily.
Okay.
Let
And body gets adapted to it.
Oh wow.
Very fast adapted. And afterwards, gradually you can increase it to the normal level.
True. That is amazing. Thank you so much, Dr. Joshi and Mrs. Joshi. Thank you so much.